have the transport operators, GPRTU, GRTCC. We have directors from agencies of the Ministry of Transport.
First 9 o'clock.
We have the Northern Youth Organizer, Mumuni. We have Amuzu Joseph, former Vice Chairman, NDC Northern Region.
10 o'clock.
We have Nuru Abdullah, Special Aid to the MP.
400.
We have Peter Adam Bukai, a friend to the nominee. Our revered guests, you are welcome. Honorable nominee, you hear from the committee, and we thank you for attending upon the committee and to answer our questions. Surely you hear from us. You are hereby discharged.
Thank you, Chairman and the committee.
No, they've not invited anybody, so close for the day. No, I'm done by the clock.
We are done. We are done for the day.
Don't try.
We are done for the day.
Don't try.
We are done for the day. Right.
Close.
We are close. We are close. We are close. We are close.
No. We are not. We are not. We are not. It's not going to happen. It's not happening. It's not happening. It's not happening. We are tired. We are compromised. It's enough. We are not doing it. We are not doing it. We are not voting. We are not granting it. It's not happening. 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 It's not. It's not. It's not happening. It's not happening. It's not happening. It's not happening. Tomorrow, we continue tomorrow. It's not happening. It's not happening. It's not happening. It's not happening. We shall do it. It's not happening. Tomorrow we'll die. Tomorrow we'll die. What are you hiding? No. Hey, advise you. It's not happening. As Mr. Wakos, it's not happening. Yes, it's not happening. It's not happening. We are not betting. We are not betting. If you are partisan, if you are we are not betting. We are not. We are not close. We are not betting. You are doing that tomorrow. Yes. No. Tomorrow will continue. Tomorrow. We are not going anywhere. We would distract. We would distract. It's not happening. We will beg tomorrow. We'll see. If you dare, for you. You are doing it. You meet you. It's not happening. No, it's not happening. Chairman, it's not happening. It's not happening. It's not happening. We are not going anywhere. You see? It's not happening. We are not doing it. We won't do it. table. Touch the table. Drop the table. I'm not pulling the table. Who's that will do it? Let him do it. Onya. We are not doing it. There's no agreement. There is no agreement.
The NDC insists they will vet Samuel Okudzato Ablakwa and Kwabena Mintah-Kando today. Kwabena Mintah-Kando has taken his seat, and the NDC say the vetting must go on, and they will not allow any person to proceed and do this on themselves. We should try and speak to more people. And so, Honorable Hassan Tampoli, your view is that this vetting must not happen now.
No, I mean, really and truly, anytime we are coming to vet, we have a schedule of the number of nominees who will be vetted each day. All right. Now we have a list of those who will be vetted today. We have exceeded that number, and you are continue to bring more nominees. At what time are we going to work with the list so that it's like an ambush? All right, out of nowhere, they just pull nominees to come to the table for vetting.
Well, it's chaos. There's a table. This vetting should not happen. Mahama Yariga there, together with confrontation, the majority and that members of parliament in a scaffold dragging tables, and there's chaos. As you can see, a microphone just raised from the floor. It hit the ground. It has totally been destroyed, and there's a lot more people saying that should not happen. The majority leader currently in dialogue in the middle of the room with the majority and minority leaders and all the other persons. They say this will not happen. This will not happen. See in your shot, the microphone that was damaged, it hit the ground, and this, all this happening right in the middle of all this. Austin Game trying to calm things, and there's a violence, there's fight. This is literally two MPs at each other's net. Honorable Hassan Tampoli together with Roxy Nelson Dafemekwa pushing and pushing, holding each other's clothes as we speak, and their leaders are trying to separate them, and none of them will allow this to happen, and they've been separated as we speak. But this is chaos. This is a lot of very not so nice scenes as the marshals and other persons try to separate the conflict and the confrontation that is currently ongoing here at the appointment committee, where really not so much good scenes. The 9th parliament is starting on not so good scenes so far. A lot of policemen walking in. Our policemen are walking in. A lot of policemen from the Parliamentary Protection Unit have now walked in, and they are trying to ensure that there is order and there is calm here ultimately for this process to happen. But this table has become the center of attraction, with MPs pulling and pushing with a lot of confrontation. Please pick it. Yeah. This is chaos. Well, as you can see, the SMP says they will not allow these tables to be, the tables are literally being pushed, where the NDC is trying to rearrange the tables. The MPP MPs are not allowing this to happen, and these are really terrible scenes as we are seeing in Parliament, with honorable members right at each other's throats, fighting and pushing and pulling tables, saying that this vetting will not happen, that the pushing and pulling is ongoing. This is chaos. This is chaos right here in Parliament. These are reminiscent of some of the scenes we saw when the Speaker of Parliament was elected in the 8th Parliament. But this time around, this is happening at the Appointment Committee of Parliament. A small group of people trying to have some agreement in terms of what exactly they have to do. And there's absolutely no agreement. This is chaotic. This is chaos. The MPs at each other's throat, they say that this will not happen. The vetting process, they will not allow this to happen, and they have pushed